A link in bio is a landing page like a Linktree that carries all your other links, like your social media links, your Etsy store link, your affiliate shop link. And when you put this link in on your social media bio page and people click on it, they see all the other links you have. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a unique one that looks like this to have as your landing page, and you can create it for free on Canva. So if this is something you like to create, learn how to create, this video is for you. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're going to go to Canva. And if you don't have a Canva account, please do that right away. Like, go there. So we're going to go there and type link in bio. You're going to click enter, and Canva is going to show you a couple of templates that you can use for your link in bio. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll and choose anyone. I'm going to choose this simple one. Okay, customize the template. And guys, it's so easy. By the way, you can choose any template you like. And so we're going to go ahead and, try to change the background. So I'm going to upload an image from my device. Okay, just kind of customize this link in bio to make it ours. Okay, so I'm bringing in this image from my computer. Okay, and we're just gonna drag it and drop it over there. Super easy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and change the background, and let's say let me see, what can we use? Let's say we want to use okay, let's say fireplace. Okay, so type fireplace, and actually we should be using the elements and not the design. So elements, and go ahead and type fireplace again, and click enter. Go to photos. Okay, and then just scroll and see. Let's see, I'm gonna try a couple, drag and drop. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to drop it, so it's just gonna, yeah, there we go. All right, so it looks good, but let's try another one. Let's see. Okay, let's try this one. No, let's try another one. I think I like this one. Yeah, so drag and make sure it's dropping in the right box. There we go. So we're gonna drop it in. I like what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, guys, so we're gonna click on the name and change it to tobyrich. Okay, now if you don't like the font, just click on it, go to the font, find any font you like and go ahead and change it. I love the font, so I'm gonna leave it there. We change this to, what am I gonna put? I'm so many things so I don't even know what I'm gonna put. So let me see, let's say life coach. Okay, so let's put life coach there, and there we have it. So over here we're gonna now link the things. Here I'm gonna change this one to Facebook. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take Facebook, then Instagram. So let's change this one to Instagram, and I'm gonna change this one to Etsy store. Okay, so there we go. Now you can add as many links as you want. Okay, I'm going to show you how to add the links. You can add as many links as you want. For example, if you have an Amazon storefront, okay, you can go ahead and add and guys, you can just customize it however you want. It is super easy to customize. Okay, we're going to change all those texts to clickable links. Okay, we're going to add the links from like your Facebook and all of that to it. Okay, and oops, what was that? Okay, so we're going to add your Facebook links and all of that, and let us just try and add one more store. So let's go ahead and delete that arrow. Okay, we're going to click on that white bar, duplicate it. Okay, and then pull it down. There we go. Click on the text as well, duplicate that. Okay, and drag it to the center. Okay, so we're just gonna name this Amazon storefront. So assuming you have an Amazon storefront, that is where it's gonna be. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start to link. So you click on the text or the bar. You're going to right click on that, click on link. Okay, and I'm going to put in my website on that one, www.thetobyrich.com. okay, so you want to link both the bar and the text, because you want to make sure that wherever is clicked on that place, okay, your link is found. So you right click on the text as well, put in the website. All right, rich.com, and done. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing for the other ones. Okay, we're gonna go to Facebook, copy the link, my profile link, go ahead, click on the right click on the text, paste the link. Okay, do the same thing for the bar. Okay, you're gonna right click on it, link, and paste the link and click done. Okay, and then we do Instagram as well. You go to Instagram, I'm going to copy my profile link, and then go over there. Okay, click the link, paste, done. Do the same thing for the bar, right click, link, paste your link, and done. And you're going to go ahead and do the same thing for your Etsy store if you have an Etsy store, and your Amazon storefront if you have it. Okay, and guys, you can see, so what we're going to do now is going to go ahead and click on share. All right, we're going to go down, click on more. All right, and then we're looking for the one that says change to website. Where is that one? Okay, website. So we're going to click on website, and we're going to say convert to website. So we're going to convert that to website. Okay, guys, trust the process. Trust the process. So you're going to get a URL that Canva is going to give you. Okay, you can use a custom URL, but you will have to pay for that, and you will need a premium Canva for that. Okay, so you can just make do with this one for now. Okay, Canva has given me tobyrich.mycanva.com. okay, which is not bad. All right, so we're going to publish the website. All right, we're going to wait for Canva to publish it, and it's done. All right, so let's just go ahead and click on view website and see what it looks like. So this is what your link in bio looks like, guys. And you see when I click on the website, it takes you straight to my website. All right, and the same thing. Okay, when I click on Facebook, it takes you straight to my Facebook profile. All right, and Instagram does the same thing. Okay, and guys, you can see how beautiful that is. I love it. So we're gonna go over here now. What we're going to do is copy that link. Okay, that link is what will be added to your Instagram bio. For example, when I paste the link here and search for it, you can see it takes us straight to the link in bio, which is extremely beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. You publish it, and then you just leave it there. This is how it looks like on a mobile phone, and I just love it. It looks so clean, so beautiful, so classy. And when I click on the website, you can see it takes me straight to my website. Okay, and then go back, you click on Facebook, it takes me straight to my Facebook profile, which is beautiful. I love it. And then Instagram does the same thing. Okay, so guys, that is how to create a beautiful and an amazing, unique link in bio for yourself. All right, guys, there you have it. This is how you create a super unique and amazing link in bio. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.